Hello, this is my implementation of CS50AI's project 3 Crossword. In this, I have implemented all the functions as per the specifications mentioned in the project document. So let's run the cases mentioned in the project specification. So first I will run structure 0, word 0. And output will go to output.png. So here we see the output on screen also, and it must be saved in the output.png also. And here we see the crossword. Next I will run structure 0, words 1. So here is the output, and again the output must be in the output.png, that is the crossword. Next I will run structure 1, words 1. And here is the output, and if I go to output.png, that's what I get. And last I will run structure 2, words 2. And here is the solution, and let me open the output.png file, and that's what I get. Thank you.